Hello mis amores, welcome back to my channel. I hope you mis amores are all doing well. So I want to share with you exactly every step I take and every product I use to achieve a clean skin. Let's get started. The first product that I use is the cleansing balm from Clinique. A small amount of this and apply it directly onto my face. Always I do double cleans every single day because it's not just the makeup is breaking down. It's the oil that have accumulated throughout the day dirty pollutants. So I just need to break all those down before I proceed on with the next cleanse. Now I take in a cotton pad with cleansing water to remove the product and clean at the same time. Now I take in my wet towel and I remove all that remains. So we are going to move on over to the next step with my Foreo and Detox Hair Wash from Garnier. I use the Foreo every single day in the morning and night. I take my Foreo Luna Mini and I run it under the water, and after, on top, I'm going to put the gel. I turn it on and cleanse your chin and cheek for 15 sets. Repeat on the other side. Cleanse your nose, forehead, for 15 sets and rinse for a clearer, smoother looking complexion. Mis bombones, my skin feeling really clean. So we are going to move on over to the next step with my exfoliator. I'm using Tasha the Right Polish Dip. I use once a week. What I like about this exfoliator is that the particles are so tiny. This one is really good and my skin feels really soft after using. Now, mis bombones, rinse for a clearer, smoother looking complexion. The next step, I'm going to apply extra firming mask from Clarins. Smooth out a thick layer from the center of the face, working outward, starting with the cheeks, then the forehead, move down to the neck to follow the natural direction of the lymphatic circulation. Let it rest 10 minutes. Mis bombones. Now I'm going to exfoliate my lips. Remove with water and a towel, a cotton pad moistened with the toner. Next, I'm using vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid. I will be gentle applying it all over my face. Also, still louder, advanced night repair. You can use more or less depending on what your skin needs. Most of the products you will notice I use are not comedogenic, but I still feel my skin needs that a little bit of hydration that I get from Clinique Moisture. I'm going to apply just a bit. Now, mis amores, it's time to apply some ice product. What I'm using in this one from Lancome and applying smallest amount to my ring fingers, then I go right underneath my eyes and just tap it in. I really like that hydration it gives to the skin around my eyes. Okay, mis amores, is finally on the very last step of my skincare routine. I'm using in this balm from Letty Bow. I love this because my lips always is dry, and this one is the best lip moisturizer I've never tried.
Thank
you, mis amores, for watching my video. If you have any question, leave it here and the comment below. See you soon. Bye bye.